all-terrain recon transport, a very popular Star Wars vehicle seen throughout the whole franchise, especially in the Clone Wars series, was made very popular from that TV series. But then again, we can see this vehicle on Revenge of the Sith, and also on the video game Star Wars Battlefront 2. The Rebels also use it, not only the clones in the Republic. So this is my custom version of it. And the reason why I made a custom version of it, and why so many other people do custom versions of ATRTs, is because of Lego's version is extremely oversized. This one is a minifigure scaled build. Because if you see the real pictures of this vehicle, the in-universe pictures, you will notice that the Lego one is extremely oversized. So this is a more minifigure scale sized ATRT. Of course, this was my own take on it. Took a bit of inspiration from other custom ATRT builds, but this was, I would say, most of my creative work, I would say. But it's a very cool vehicle, and of course making it in Lego is quite a bit of a challenge, making it in a minifigure scale, because you have to downsize everything, so finding the right pieces may be a bit of a challenge. But that is why I'm making this video, making a tutorial on how to build this custom ATRT for you to build it. Of course, this is a gray version of it, like the standard default, let's say default version of the vehicle. Then again, you can add swap out the different pieces with different colors. For example, if you want to make a 501st ATRT like the one Lego did, you can just easily swap out some of the pieces for some blue pieces, and there you go. Or you could do the one seen in episode 3. You could also do that, or just customize it as you want. So, too much talking. As always, subscribe and like, and let's get on with the tutorial on how to build it. there we go, guys. That's it. We have our custom minifigure scale ATRT built. As you can see, I would say it's definitely minifigure scale. So here's the build. You got your gun there, the front part, legs, the back part. I would say it's pretty accurate. Of course, it's not perfectly accurate, but very close to the real thing. It's definitely a fragile build, definitely not meant to be played with, but very good to use it on mocks and just display it for your collection or army. Of course, the front and the back could fall off quite easily if you play around with it, but then again, for display, it's very good. Using it for mocks also. You can even use it in stop motion, as I did in the beginning of the video. So there you go, guys. That's the custom ATRT. Again, subscribe and like if you enjoyed this tutorial, and I'll see you later.